Hello again, YouTube. Welcome to another video. This time we're looking at a Key Largo ceiling fan. I got this fan earlier this year from Chris Chandler, so thank you very much, Chris. It's in very nice shape. I love the finish on the blades. The brass housing is in excellent condition as well. It's a very nice fan. Anyway, I won't keep you all waiting too long. Let's turn it on. Now the speeds on this are high, variable, and off. So we'll start with high. This thing moves an insane amount of air. I love it. Alright, that's high. And the variable is on the lowest setting right now. So we'll be seeing the low speed. And that's low speed. This is a pretty normal low speed, not an ultra low aesthetic speed. It still moves a considerable amount of air at this speed. Let's turn it up a little. Note also the Key Largo branded pull chain. I know that's hard to see. That didn't really go much faster. Let's give it some more. And a little more. This is about a medium speed for a normal fan, a 3-speed fan. And let's take it up all the way on the variable. It seems like high on the variable is the same as normal high. So the variable knob does go all the way up. Alright, let's do a spin down. Excuse me. reverse switch is right here. Let's go ahead and flip that. And this time, let's start it up on low speed. Of course, it goes to high first via the pull chain, so it doesn't take much to get up to speed because it has that kick at the beginning. And that's it. That's low speed. Let's just go back through off and straight to high. And let's turn it back off. Alright, that concludes this video. Thank you for watching, and thank you, Chris, for this fan, if you're watching this. Alright, see you all next time.